This is why we have people working here, 40 years, 38 years, 20 years. My name is Dragan Grabovac, and I am 13 years, almost 14 years with Novo. I come from the surgical side of the business, and I have some previous experience in the healthcare laundry, and I am currently general manager of a Novo facility in Miami. In the partnership with the Kenny Geezer, we built this plant in the focus to provide patient satisfaction, hygienically clean linen. So daily we are shipping around 130,000 pounds of the clean linen. Basically we are serving all Miami area and South Florida. We do process what we call pool items, sheets, blankets, gowns, towels, pillowcases, scrubs, amount of the specialty items, what we call. So those are pediatric items for the baby pediatric stuffs, some kind of specialty gowns that I use in the different departments in the hospital. When customers see that we are taking care of the employees, that go a long way, because they know that employees will take care of the company, that we will not jeopardize somebody's safety, at the hospital, patients in the hospital. So we trying to do right thing. This equipment is, helping us to make this much more easier, much more smoother. There is the little things, that we saw inside the Kenny Geezer that really stood differently than other competitors. Those conveyors, they are coming and they're bringing basically linen delivery to you, but it's helping on the ergonomics of the employees. So we are minimizing twisting in the old school laundries. You have basically car behind you, and you are all day long you're twisting, and that causes higher risk rate for the injuries. Those are things that we are very proud, and employees can see, because we have a huge group of the employees that came from our older laundry. So from them was like moving from old house in the brand new house, that you're putting your furniture how you want. They do appreciate everything what we did, and our turnover it is very low. What we cherish here, it is really diversity of our employees. When you show them respect and invest time in them, this is why we have people working here 40 years, 38 years, 20 years. By coming to this new plant, we almost triple size of the linen that we are processing, and we are right now maybe with the water usage that we were using in the old plant for the 3 times more. So right now we are using I believe it's 0.47 gallons per pound, what is very efficient. Our chemical usage, it is much lower than it's in the industry. So we have brand new equipment that is specifically designed to provide the customer to have a same hygienically clean linen with a lower water usage. I always teaching my managers a very simple thing, and that is, if you cannot measure, you cannot manage. So what we use here in Miami, we use e-view system, and we have screens all over the place. This technology really helping us to see how many pieces we are able to get from each machine, what is our rewash rate, what we ship. If you have issue with or it's equipment, or it's maybe stuffing, address right away. It's not something that we are waiting for the next day. It is very, very helpful. We get off paper and paper clip and writing down. Those are old school now. Everything goes digitally, and everybody's able to see information in real time. That's what is very important. Closely working with Kenny Geezer, it is important that you are able to communicate with your vendor on the issues, and issues they happen. You know, something will not happen Monday 10 in the morning. You know, things always happen Saturday 10 p.m. when it's a weekend, where it's over Sunday or late night, and those are moments that you really need your vendor to help. It is crucial to have that type of support. And positive thing is that our emergency calls, you know, Mayday calls was answered right away, and we get the crew on site, and you know, that's a big plus.